You can go back up here or you can't?
You can, but
Why am I carrying my iPad at the same time?
just a couple seconds to come.
That's fine.
Okay.
It's a fire pram map. Just 2 floors here, right?
Yeah, for that are open today.
Normally, other days it's just more than one. Just. Oops. I know it. You have to scan your card or you can't? Just one.
Yeah, just one.
Okay.
Going down. On descend.
Why am I carrying this? Can I take one ride trip on this for a week and then I go back up and then I go back down?
Okay.
Sorry about keeping you carrying this.
That's alright.
Capacity only 2,500
First
pounds.
floor, premier étage.
I'll go back up one more time too.
Là, on monte.
Just for a reason I don't go anywhere.
Okay.
Hey there, in the mirror. What? Let's go back down to one and I'm ending it down there. That's where I end my
Floor,
video.
deuxième étage. Going down. On descend. Going
Wait, sir.
down. On descend.
You guys going down?
I don't know. It's Camille.
Anybody else going down?
Good, how are you? Okay, that's...
Please allow the doors to close. Veuillez déposer un message pour la fermeture des portes.
Okay.
Here on one.
First floor, premier étage.
The other side.
Thank you so much. I can have it now. Wait for door closes. Go ahead. Door closes. Who's in focus now? That's it.